How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be talking about stains and finishes. It's going to be a nice, quick, simple, easy video. Not going to be a long process. We're going to have a little fun with it. All right, so for today, we have, as far as dyes, we have fivings and echo flow. First one we're going to talk about is called echo flow. Now, these guys are a water-based. They go on pretty good, pretty quick, pretty simple. They stain fairly well. We are actually going to be using it today on a belt that I am making for a customer. The color we're going to be using today is called a timber brown. Now the next one we have up is called fivings, and this is on their consumer line. All right, now this one is, I believe this one is a oil based on their consumer line. Every one of these, just to get it out of the way, every one of these are flammable, so don't smoke around it, don't have lighters around it. Just do your project, dye with it, and be done with it. No open flame source. This one is Fivings Pro Dye. This one is alcohol based. So you definitely have to be extremely cautious about this one. It goes on. Now that one will dry out your leather. You will need to put some polishing agent or rehydrate the leather in some way, shape, form, or fashion. On that one, I actually use what's called saddle soap, and it is actually made by Fivings as well. And all the Fivings products you can get at Weaver's Leather Supply.com. They do have a store, I believe, out in Ohio. Full disclosure, I am affiliated. I do have a link down in the description. I do get a percentage of sales if you use that link to make any kind of purchases. Now, if you want to have a nice finish on the edge of your products, you can use this item here, or this product here. It's called Edge Coat. Now what that does, you can take a edge like this and turn it into an edge like this. It gives it a more shinier, more finished, polished edge. I have recently started using this product, and I've come to learn that I absolutely love that look. Now, before you go off and you do that step, what you always want to do is take some token oil, which is this product. I have found that the cheapest place to get this is on Amazon. Not affiliated, anything like that. A 8-ounce can, I think just about 8 ounce. 120 grams of this stuff is about $12, give or take, on Amazon. It's used to burnish the edges. It just keeps the edges from fraying on your products. Now, if you want to have any kind of antiquing, don't mind the lid. I dropped the bottle, so I cracked the lid by accident. But if you want any kind of antique finish on your products, this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and you can see the difference. I'll grab the other belt, hold them up together. So just like makes the belt look worn. That's what this product does. Some customers like it, some like the fresh new look of a belt. It all depends on your customer. Offer it to your customer, and if they want that option, give it to them. If they don't, give them what the new belt looks like. The last two products that we're going to talk about are satin finishes. This one is made by EcoFlow. Okay. This one is a satin finish, but it is also a rain repellent and a stain repellent. So I haven't used this one yet, so I can't give you any comment one way or the other. I just wanted to throw this in the video to tell you that it's out there. This one, very good quality. It does give a very good satin finish. I do like it a lot. So now we're going to switch focus. I'm going to get set up over on my workbench to start staining the belt. So I'm going to pause the video here and we're going to get set up. Alright, so now that we got set up on our workbench, we're going to put on our gloves. Okay, so make sure that you shake up your dies before you use them. You've got two ways, or you got multiple different ways to dye. I personally am going to show you two different ways to dye with two brushes. One is with a foam brush, the other is with a dauber. My personal choice is with a dauber. The other, with the foam brush, I personally don't like it. It holds and uses too much dye and does not release enough.